Today I show you how to install an HDMI switch. I just took out the switch from the box, and first you have to make sure you untie the cable and you don't have any protection caps, no dust caps on the cable. So this one has a cable included, but in some situations you might have a switch where you have this kind of connector, the HDMI connector. This is a Ugreen HDMI switch and it's a 4K 60 frames per second maximum. That's the model number, but you can use any kind of HDMI switch. Usually there is a button. The simplest one is this one, like that. You have one output. This goes to the monitor, to the screen. And then I have here the computer and the camera, or the camera and the computer, or the computer and the camera. And I switch them. I switch the source with the press of a button like this. It's electronic, it's not a physical switch. So there might be problems because of that on some systems, but you need to have, in this case, two cables. And if you don't have this cable built in, you need to have even a third cable. Some of these HDMI switches, they also have an option where the input is one and two outputs. So you can switch between one screen or the other, like switch, for example, switch between the computer screen and the TV if you wanted that. And I'll show you now how to plug this in, and it's pretty easy, not difficult at all. Let's go to the existing setup. This is the new switch. You can see on the screen there, it's actually getting the signal from the camera right now. As I'm showing you this, you will see the signal from the camera through that switch. This is the switch, and when I switch it, this monitor is off, and I can unplug the existing one. So I unplug the existing one, and the screen is actually connected to this cable, and I need to remove it. I need to remove this cable because the HDMI switch, this one already comes with a HDMI cable built in. That saves you one HDMI cable. You could use this for something else. I have to plug in this switch to the screen. The new switch is plugged in. I will leave the switch here because I will use it for the other screen. But I have to take the cables out for now. So I'll put them the same way. Okay, so the switch is plugged in and I already see the picture on the screen. Looks okay, I guess. And the switch changes the source. Now it will show you with the light also. The switch has a small light on it to show you which input is active. When you press the button, it switches to the other input. Now it should switch to the camera. You see there the camera. And when I press, it switches again. So it switches between this cable or this cable as input. And this is the cable going to the screen. If I switch, it takes a few seconds to switch from one source to another. But as you see, the information is there. Thanks for watching. That's how you set it up. Pretty simple. You might need an extra cable if it doesn't have the extra cable, or you save a cable. Keep the existing HDMI cable for something else when you might need for a TV or a second screen. Thanks for watching.